Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In this video I'm going to show you 3 ways to cut your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin by bringing the video onto the timeline. Let's stretch it a little bit for better viewing. And the first method is if you bring your mouse to the end or the start of the clip, you will see this red arrow appear. You can click and drag the clip to your preference from the start or the end. But the problem with it is that you cannot adjust the middle of the clip. In comes the second method, in which you can either press C, or you can go to the sidebar and select the razor tool and cut the clip from any place you'd like, and then press V or select the selection tool, select the part of the clip and hit delete, or you can move it forward or backward as per your preference. So the third method is the most interesting, since I'm a keyboard junkie. So this method involves a keyboard shortcut. You can take the marker to the point wherever in the clip you would like to cut from and press Ctrl K. Ta-da! It's as simple as that. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.